Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the unveiling of the all-new 2024 Toyota Tundra, presented by Desert Toyota. Today, we're going to take an in-depth look at all the cutting-edge features that make this truck stand out from the crowd. First up, let's talk about the exterior design. The 2024 Tundra boasts a bold and muscular appearance with a commanding presence on the road. Its rugged lines and distinctive grille give it a sense of strength and capability. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious and luxurious cabin that's designed with both comfort and convenience in mind. From premium materials to advanced technology, every detail has been carefully crafted to enhance your driving experience. Speaking of technology, the 2024 Tundra comes equipped with the latest infotainment system, complete with a large touchscreen display that puts all your favorite apps and features right at your fingertips. Whether you're navigating through city streets or hitting the trails, staying connected has never been easier. But safety is always a top priority, and the 2024 Tundra delivers with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. From forward collision warning to lane departure alert, you can drive with confidence, knowing that you're protected from every angle. Of course, what really sets the Tundra apart is its impressive performance. With a powerful engine and rugged suspension, this truck is built to tackle even the toughest terrain. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or exploring off-road trails, the 2024 Tundra is up to the task. And let's not forget about towing and payload capacity. With the ability to tow up to 12,000 pounds and carry a payload of 19,040 pounds, the Tundra is ready to handle whatever you throw its way. With several trim levels to choose from, including the rugged TRD Pro and the luxurious Platinum, you can customize your Tundra to suit your style and preferences. The 2024 Toyota Tundra. With its bold design, advanced technology, and unbeatable performance, this truck is ready to take on any challenge. View our selection at deserttoyota.com or give us a call at 520-585-5413.